Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a look at some products from our friends at Stance, the socks company, and they sent us this box for the purpose of review, so thank you to Stance for that. Now this is the brand new 25th anniversary collection for Pixar. As you can see, we've got Luxo lamp right here and the iconic Pixar ball. Now this box set sells for $200. It does have some exclusive items in it. You can also get some of these socks individually for $19.99, but this is a look at the box. One of the fun little details is A113, which is hidden in every single Pixar film right there. I don't see a Pizza Planet truck, but that would be pretty cool as well. Now, two of the items that are exclusive in this set are pins. So right away when you open up the box, you can see you get a look at some of the socks. The pins are right here. There's the Luxo lamp and Guinevere, the van from Onward, the newest Pixar film. And those are nicely attached to some cardboard there. There's a closer look at the pins, and again, both of those are exclusive to this box. You won't be able to buy them separately. This, I think, is my favorite pair of socks that was advertised. It obviously has the Luxo lamp. It says Pixar down the side. Just a very classic look. Also, it's not too far out there, so I feel like you could wear these socks kind of any day and not feel like you're breaking any dress codes at work or anything like that. Wally, one of my favorites. Here's a closer look at the Wally pair of socks, and I'll be trying on all of these for you guys as well, but it does have Wally. It's got the boot with the plant. Those look great. From Finding Nemo, these ones have Bruce with Marlin and Dory, and then from Up, we have Carl's house with the balloons. I love the light blue color on those. This one is Monsters, Inc. You've got the silhouette of Boo. You've got Sully in her door. That one's very, very sweet. This is the mystery pair of socks, and I don't know if each box is the same pair, but this is huge for me because Heimlich is actually my favorite Pixar character ever. So you've got Heimlich chewing his way through the green leaf right here, and that is awesome. I love this. And then lastly, from Toy Story, we've got the green army men on some camo green socks. Those are very nice as well. Thank you again to Stance for sending us this collection for review. These can all be found on Stance.com. And again, most of these socks are available individually for $19.99, but if you want the entire collection with the exclusive pins, the exclusive Pixar Luxo socks, and the mystery socks, which for me included Heimlich, the only way to get those is in this box set. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Take care. Bye.